Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change edge lighting style in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to notifications. Here, you will see brief pop-up settings. Just click that and here click on edge lighting style. And here edge lighting style is already set to none. Okay, if you want to change it to other effect, just click it and effect will be previewed here. See here, this is another one. Edge lighting style will be like this. See here. So whatever the style you want to use, yes, here select. Okay, then color, what color you would like to use, here you can select the color. See here, color is also appearing along with the lighting. Okay, here in advanced you can change transparency and duration. Okay, this is transparency adjustment. This is duration adjustment. Okay, short or long. Okay, you can select between short and long. Okay, so in this way you can easily customize edge lighting style for notification in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.